right, now it's time to wrap the house, add the windows, and build the deck. So the deck looks great, and I know we don't have the railing up yet because we still have to do the siding, but what kind of a railing will you be doing?
Well, it's the kind of railing that your eyes go right through it. I love putting it on. It's going to be a black aluminum railing. We'll have a drink rail on the top of it for your iced tea or whatever beverage you choose.
Whatever you want.
Whatever you want. But the reason you do that, I don't want to disturb this view behind us. So when you put up a black railing, your eyes go through it. When you put up a white type of a railing or something that's a lighter color, your eyes kind of look at the railing and not what's on the other side of the railing, and I don't want to block that view.
Now, another decision I know you made is you didn't add a stairway, and that was very intentional. Why'd you leave the stairs off?
Half the people I talk to, they're worried about security. Some people say, I don't want people walking up on my deck. I want to be up here and feel like I'm in a safe place. So you can always add a staircase to this later if that's what you choose. Another reason I didn't want to block any of the views downstairs. So I just chose on this particular home, on this particular site, I didn't need a staircase on this. There's plenty of ways to get out of this and get out downstairs because it's a walkout from the lower level and you can walk out the back of the garage.
Which is one of the reasons why you decided to add that garage door too.
That's right.
Nice, easy access.
Exactly.
So the window product that you use, you went with Marvin, and I know you were saying it's kind of an upgraded product, but it's not over the top. But more importantly was the type of window that you chose. You were saying that it's important to go with fiberglass versus vinyl in this climate. Why?
Vinyl is a petroleum product. It expands and it contracts. When it gets hot, it gets bigger. When it gets cold, it gets smaller. That's not good in a window because you got air infiltration. Fiberglass doesn't move that way. It's a very stable product. So I put it in for longevity. I put it in that you don't have to maintain it. You know, if you get 10 years out of a vinyl window, that's a pretty good vinyl window, in my opinion.
And then the last thing I noticed when we were putting the windows up at the front of the house, obviously those are for aesthetics, right? It's to make the house look
pretty,
a little bit more pretty, right? And it really does. But I noticed that when they were installing it, I saw through the windows, but now I can't see the rafters. Why is that?
It's just for aesthetics, like you say. But we black the windows out. We install the window, and then we take a piece of plywood and we put water and ice shield on it, which is totally black, and then we staple it to the back of the window so you can't see through the window.
And then that color will also blend in really nicely with the roof.
With the roof, too.
Thank you so much for checking out this video. As always, we have a ton more to show you, so be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.